one of the mistakes of epistemology is to assume that we start with evidence, or that we should start with evidence, or that if we want to make progress, we need to gather the evidence and then think
Mm,
about the evidence and then extract from the evidence a conclusion, which is then more justified, more secure, more firm than if you didn't do that. And that's the wrong picture. I mean, as I keep saying, you may not go far wrong if you follow that picture, but it is completely the wrong picture. What happens is that we start with the problem. The problem is the thing that gives you the coordinates by which to judge ideas. If you just start with evidence, then so a problem is a conflict between existing ideas.
right.
So somebody says, like a few years ago, somebody said, we've discovered in our neutrino experiment that the neutrinos are traveling faster than light. And the press was saying, oh, that maybe Einstein's theory of relativity is wrong. That was a mistake. That's the empiricist mistake. You can't. The meaning of the evidence is not visible until you have at least two rival theories which both purport to explain it. So you can't just say Einstein's theory of relativity is wrong, because that's not an explanation of anything. Scientific theories are explanations. We have explanation in Einstein's theory. To say that Einstein's theory isn't true is not an explanation. The
Right.
negation
Right.
of an explanation is never an explanation. So you have a rival explanation which says that neutrinos sometimes travel faster in light because X, Y, and Z, and there wasn't such a thing. So people looked for such theories, but they also looked for theories along the lines of maybe the apparatus that isn't doing what we think it's doing. And that's both those things are lines of research, trying to find a rival theory. It's only when you have the theory and the rival theory that evidence is even meaningful. So then once you have the two rival theories, then you can gather evidence, because you can then the two rival theories will be giving meaning to that evidence. If you only have one theory, or if you have zero theories, then the evidence is meaningless.